This is a brand new website that I've never shown before on this channel, and it actually pays really well, and it's 100% free. Moreover, this is worldwide available, as you can see. All of these countries are accepted, and for this to work, you don't need to sell anything or film any videos. It's a lot easier than that and can literally be done in 30 minutes or less by simply copying and pasting. If you want to make this work, then be sure to follow all the steps in this video. Otherwise, you'll just get confused and this won't work out for you. Just before I show you all of that, be sure to tap the like button down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more content to teach you how to make money online. Okay, so before I even show you the website, here's proof that it will actually pay you. As is said right here, you can earn up to $100 per single referral. 5 people referred is already $500. And don't worry, I will show you exactly how you will be referring people for free and with no use of a single social media platform, meaning that no social media following is required for this to work. Now let's start this off with the very first step. You will need to come over to the previously shown platform, and that is none other than eclincher.com. This is a social media management tool, as we can see immediately when we come onto this platform. It will basically manage your social media accounts for you, and the reason so many people need to have their social media managed for them is, simply put, because they're either unwilling to do it themselves or they're too busy to do so. And I'd say business owners are the people who make up the bulk of customers for this website. Because think about it, if you're running some business, how much time would you really have also to run your social media? Not that much, really. And this tool's perfect for those people because not only will it run their social media for them, but it will also make them grow, which in turn would also lead to the owner of the business making more money. As social media nowadays is a huge part of running a business, and that is seen in the fact that some of the biggest companies today have Instagram, Facebook, and other social media accounts. Now, with that said, since I know most of you watching this don't run a business, don't worry, you won't need one to get paid with this site. Anyhow, you can read more about this site here, take a look at some of the features it offers, but as I said, since we aren't customers, all of the features it has aren't really that relevant for us. And as such, what you need to do on here is come to the very top of the page. Hover your mouse over Company right here, and then you want to select Partner Affiliate Program, as we will want to promote this website as an affiliate. And doing just that can get us paid very, very nicely. You can see down here that per single person you refer to here, you will earn between $50 and $100, just like I've shown you previously. So there's a lot of money to be made here, and it only gets better from there. Not only do you get paid a lot of money, but there is an endless pool of potential customers for eClincher. Since, as you know, there are literally millions upon millions of people all over the globe who are running a business and would need help managing their social media accounts, and they are all potential customers. Furthermore, something that makes it way easier to persuade someone to try this out is the fact that this site offers a 14-day free trial. As I'm sure most of you know, the hardest part about affiliate marketing is trying to get someone to try out the site or product you're promoting, because they're obviously not that thrilled about investing money into something they aren't sure is legit and would actually pay off for them. But with a free trial here, not only will it become much easier to get someone to try this out, but once they do and they see that it's a completely legit site and is actually going to help them a lot, they will be willing to pay them to manage their social media, which in turn would also mean you getting paid as well. So as you can see, guys, this site's affiliate program has a number of big benefits. It's easier to get someone to try the site out thanks to the free trial. You have an endless pool of potential customers, and lastly, you will get rewarded very handsomely whenever you refer someone to here. Anyhow, to sign up to their affiliate program, what you need to do is click on Apply here. Then you want to enter in all of this info: your email address, first and last names. These 3 boxes you will leave blank since they are not mandatory to fill in, as obviously not every affiliate will have a company and/or website. What you then want to do is select your country, and now is the perfect time for me to show you what you've seen in that intro. Just check out all of the countries that are available for this website. This does work worldwide, and it makes no difference whatsoever where you're coming from. Anyhow, when you select your country, you will need to enter in your address, phone number, password, the links of all your social media, tick this box to agree to their affiliate terms, complete this CAPTCHA, and click on Sign Up to finish the process. Now, what happens from there is it will take a few hours for you to get approved into their affiliate program. But once you do and you receive an email from them, you will now be able to grab that affiliate link, and whenever someone clicks on it and then that same person signs up to eClincher, you will get paid. And now that you have that link, it's finally time for me to show you exactly where you will get traffic. And I have two methods for you. The first one is simply through the use of various freelancing platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelancer, and many others. I'll use Fiverr here as an example, but you do want to keep in mind that what I'm about to do applies to all the others. Now, what you will want to do, guys, is search for social media management. You want to find and contact people who are managing other people's accounts, and these people are the perfect customers for us. Why? Well, think about it. They have all of these customers reaching out to them, and they have to manage all of those accounts by themselves. Even though they're getting paid a lot of money, like this person here who is charging $75, they don't have that much time on their hands. And what do you think will happen when you present them with a tool that will allow them, for a small investment, to manage far more accounts and thus make far more money? Most of them will be willing to give it a try, and this is why these people are the perfect customers. They have the money to pay, and they're definitely willing to try eClincher out since it can ultimately make them more money. So basically, what you do is you want to contact all of the people you can find on Fiverr, on People Per Hour, on all of these freelancing platforms. Tell them about eClincher and all of its features, including the free trial, thanks to which many will be willing to give it a try. And let me remind you, you need like 10 people trying it out for you to earn between $500 and $1,000 just like that, which is just insane. With all of that said, though, as I said before, I do, after all, have two methods with which you can get traffic. And the second one is through the use of this brand new tool right here. The tool I use myself in order to get paid as well. If you happen to have a tiny bit of money in your pocket and you don't have the time to contact various freelancers and share with them your affiliate link, then this is the perfect software for you. As you can see, this will get you free buyer traffic in literally 30 seconds, and it will allow you to earn up to $371 a day in completely passive income. Just below that, you can see that you don't need a website. You don't need any experience or tech skills whatsoever in order for this to work. In other words, this is perfect for beginners. Arguably, however, the best part about this is that it will work in any niche you want. So in this video, we are promoting eClincher, but if you want to promote something on like ClickBank, Digistore24, OfferVault, you most definitely can. The last thing worth noting about this is that they offer a 365-day money-back guarantee, and they will pay you $200 if this doesn't work out for you. So it's safe to say that this is essentially risk-free. Once again, if you do want to give this a try, and I do recommend doing so, it's the very first link in the description down below. If you, however, don't have the money at the moment, then you can definitely use the freelancing platforms I talked about earlier to get traffic that way and still earn a lot of money nevertheless. For those of you who want to make even more money, then be sure to check out one of the two videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.